Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be learning how to make one of the most well-known drinks of all time, Long Island iced tea. Now you can use a hurricane glass, a pint glass, or a highball glass. Today we'll be using a highball glass. First, fill your highball glass with ice. We're going to use equal parts, 3/4 of an ounce, vodka, gin, rum, tequila, triple sec, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and simple syrup. First, the vodka. Next, the gin. Next, the rum. Next, the tequila. Next, the triple sec. Next, the fresh squeezed lemon juice. And now, the simple syrup. And now top with Coca-Cola. Now use a bar spoon to stir. Garnish with a lemon wedge. And enjoy.